Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to share tweets to your Snapchat stories and just to Snapchat overall. Now, this is a new feature that allows us to add snaps to our Snapchat story by adding it into the Snap camera. Looks pretty cool. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. All you have to do is open up Twitter and just find any tweet that you want to share to Snapchat. So let's just say if I wanted to share this Conor McGregor tweet to Snapchat, I can go ahead and click on this little share option just right beside the heart and the likes. You see the little share options, click on that, and then click on the share tweet via. And then here you'll see Snapchat, but that's not the one that we want. We just want to keep moving down and you will see an option for share to camera on Snapchat. That's what we want to click. So you just go ahead and click on that. You guys will see here, it'll show your camera. So as you guys see my MacBook there in the background, and then you will see the tweet right here. And obviously, as anything else, you could add stuff, you could write stuff to it if you want to, add music if you want to, doesn't really matter. But let's just say, for example, you wanted to go ahead and post it to your story. You could just start recording or take a photo just like this. And then you could either save it or share it to your story right there. Very simple. And then anyone who sees it will be able to click on it and open up Twitter if they want to. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to share tweets on Snapchat and the Snapchat stories. If this video helped you, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.